In this video, I'm going to show you how to do collision in Unreal. You hit the play button in this scene. You see that my player cannot pass this archway. That's because there's a collider blocking this whole area. If you come over to here and change your view to player collision, you can see how that box is covering that whole area like I had described before. Let's go down and click the static mesh that needs the collision made. Come over to here, this icon, and hit Simple Collision. You can see there's a green box surrounding the whole area. You can select that box, scale it down, and you can see in your editor view it's being adjusted automatically. So you can go ahead and rotate this box and get a general approximation. Don't cut too much into that negative space. All you want to do is just make sure that the player can walk through this archway, but not clip through the actual mesh. You can use the duplicate hotkey to make more colliders. Or you can come through the menu and hit Add Box or any other of these simplified collisions. So this looks pretty good for my arch. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to go back into lit view and hit play. And now you can see that my player can actually freely walk through that area. If I jump, I'm not actually clipping through anything. And that feels pretty good. So just go through each of your meshes and make sure that you have colliders that allow the player to pass through the area. Or if you don't want them to pass through, add those colliders if they're not generated correctly. And that's pretty much it.